Hi everyone, it's I here. Welcome to my channel, and for today, I will be sharing to you another DIY, and this time it is a drawstring bag out of Bebe Boy's clothes. Baliktad. Ayan. Ayan siya. He used to have one and it's already sira na, so I decided to recreate one. Medyo malaki lang yun ng konti. Ay, may matangkad ng konti, but yeah, very gamit na gamit yun. Pinaglalagyan niya ng snacks niya ng kapag may swimming sila sa school, extra shirt, ganun, and toys. Most especially pag nagto-travel kami. It looks so tiny, pero perfect siya sa size ni Bebe Boy. Kasi kung sa akin mo ipapasuot, pwede naman, kaya lang, it's so cute kasi yung kulay ng the old t-shirt niya, kaysa naman itapon or nag-try lang ako mag-DIY, but yeah, that's it. Before that, gusto ko palang i-share sa inyo guys that I wanted to ibalik yung desire ko na mag-DIY kasi it's been a long while since I do one. And if you know me even before, I am already doing many DIYs, pero doon sa old channel ko, if you're interested to check, I will put the link in the description box, and para mapanood nyo din. Hindi ko pa naman sila binubura, pero I don't plan on renewing or reopening that channel anymore kasi gusto ko lahat nandito na. DIY, beauty, vlogs, ano pa ba? Yung mga slay at home ganap ko. So, yun. Yun na nga. So, yan. If you're interested as well in watching how I made this one, it's just very simple and easy. Please just keep on watching on the next clips. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for always watching and being there. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts about it. Bye. Love you guys so much. Mwah.